So hello there. I just got back from our capstone defense this morning, and we got a minor revision. In case you didn't know, in capstone defense, that's the highest approve you can get from the panel, and luckily we got that. So to continue to this, let's create this centered oval, the 0. Position at center. Maybe right now some other groups from different section is ongoing in their capstone defense, and that's it. So let's make a border radius out of this. Okay, yeah, 50 pixels. Adjust the length, the height, double the height, reduce a little bit. No, reduce. Then reduce the width, just like that. And actually, let's rename this div to outer 1, outer 2, outer 1. Copy, paste the name, then adjust the sideways. Adjust sideways. Push this to the right. Push this a bit to the left. Then the inner. Let's copy this too. Change the name to inner. Also copy this. Paste. Change this to inner. Which pretend this is inner 1. Then of course change the background that matches the background. Of course it is above, so let's minimize the size, reduce the size, both width and height. Like that. Now reduce a bit, reduce a bit. Maybe something like that. Then copy, create an inner 2. We already declared this div inner 2, so let's just style this. I remember this is centered like this, and lastly this number 3. This is a bit technical. What? Yeah, I guess I can do this. I will just put a two horizontal oval here, like this. Let's create for horizontal out, for outer. Horizontal out 1 and horizontal out 2. First, horizontal out 1. Then copy this. The background is not black but white. Okay, let's copy this outer one because this has a background of white already, and the size is just about the same. So let's rename this whore out one, right? Whore out one, like so, and then change this width to the height and height to the width, like so, and adjust this to the left. Push this to the left. More. I think that's enough. Then push this to the top, like so. It's getting good already. And let's create a whore out 2. It's already created, so let's just style this. Copy the whore out 1 or horizontal outer 1. Change this to 2. Adjust, push this to the bottom. To do that, let's let's invert this sign here in case, and it is perfect. The sign is inverted, and then here's the catch. Before that, we will apply an inner horizontal circle. So to do that, copy this, change the name to in, so that it would horizontal in 1. Horizontal in 1. By the way, after we finished our defense earlier, around 12, we waited the last group, our classmate, so that we would eat together to celebrate. And after they finished on their defense, we eat on a kinda small restaurant that has only wings, and it was good. We stayed there from I think 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. I arrived here around 4:30. Anyway, let's minimize the size. And then change the font, the color to the background, like that. And adjust the height and adjust the position. Push this to the bottom a bit, like so, and copy this for the horizontal in 2. Just like the in 1, we will just push this to the bottom, invert this top here, and there you go. I said earlier there's a catch here. We can just put a rectangle just above this to temper the horizontal circle. What I mean is like this. Div class rect, like that, and I already put this on the last because what's in the last is going to the top. It is on in front of these circles here. It will display in front of the circles here. So this style here, there is no hierarchy. There is no top or bottom in the style. this is what matters. So even if I just put here on the top, so we could able to see this clearly, because it is starting to go down back and forth. So let's just go to here, the top, and to create a rectangle, first size, determine the width, the maximum the width is, I think it's around 50 or 40 pixel. The height is 300 for the maximum. This is 300 pixel, and the background. That's all you need to create a rectangle. So let's test this. I will create a background that is color black, and like so you can see it, right? The black rectangle, but it is not positioned well. So to position, like so, what we always did: position absolute, margin auto, top 0, bottom 0, right 0, and left 0. To make the center, push this to the left, push this to the left, apply a right value, like so, and adjust the add the width, and make the color the background color, like so. We have a 300.